St. Thomas, they inventory.
Yeah, of course. Whatever you have's fine.
There's some of the things you need.
Great. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, Jax, but I hope it works out okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
For what?
You know, when I heard you were back in town, I ran the scenario of how this would work. You and me.
What'd it look like?
Like this. You wondering what kind of bad shit I was doing? Me saying I'm sorry?
Yeah. Guess this conversation feels familiar.
Yeah, because I'm the same guy. Wearing the same cut. But you're somewhat different, Doc. That's a good thing.